Hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick review of the Forex Beginners Academy by Saeed Ali and just show what I've learned really. So 2020, I think we all needed options for extra income with the way the pandemic was across the world. I think we all needed something other than our jobs to keep our family's income safe. So I was looking at Forex as a real option. But of course on the market there are lots of courses you could pay thousands and thousands of dollars for, and they don't promise anything. They just make claims that you'll suddenly become a trader, and I didn't even know if I wanted to do trading or would enjoy it. So I stumbled across this Forex Beginners Academy on Facebook and thought I'd give it a go. So what have I learned? Quite frankly, you've learned a lot. How to read and analyse charts using TradingView, what market structure likes, looking at candlesticks, fibs, and really how trading world works, which I've found incredibly valuable. And how do I know that I'm learning? There's a Facebook group, really positive community Facebook group where everyone marks up charts. Saeed gets on there and gives you advice if your charts are wrong. And I feel incredibly confident and comfortable about making live trades in the future. So if you're thinking of a course, this is an ideal one to dip your toe in and see if you actually like Forex and you can get your head around it. It's not for everyone, but I found it really interesting and I think it'll be an excellent side income for me and my family.